In today's video, I'm going to teach you step-by-step guide how to start dropshipping with Wix 2025. We'll move from setup to launch so you can start selling without holding any inventory. First, enable Wix stores. Log into your Wix dashboard and open your site editor. If your site doesn't already have a store, head to the Wix app market, the one with the toolbox icon. Search for Wix stores and click Add to Site. This adds the product pages, cart, and checkout features, plus a store products manager in your dashboard so you can control everything from one place. Next, access drop shipping products. In your Wix dashboard, open the store products area. Under the catalog header, click drop shipping. This is where Wix connects you to suppliers so you can browse products you won't need to stock yourself. Think of it like a digital catalog. You review items, variants, and supplier details, then decide what fits your niche and brand. Now select and customize your products. Browse the catalog and add the items you want to sell to your store. After they're added, click each product to edit its details. Update the product title and description to match your brand's voice, focus on clear benefits, and include key specifications. Swap in high-quality images where possible, and make sure your product layout looks consistent across the site. A clean, trustworthy presentation can make a real difference in conversions. Set your pricing strategy. Wix uses Modalist as the primary drop shipping partner, and by default, it applies a 60% markup that covers the base cost and shipping. That's just a starting point. If you want to change your profit margins, open your Modalist settings and adjust your pricing rules at any time. Aim for a margin that balances competitiveness with profitability, and keep an eye on market prices so you stay aligned with customer expectations. With pricing in place, let fulfillment run on autopilot. When a customer places an order on your site, you pay the supplier the base cost. The supplier then handles packaging and ships the product directly to your customer's doorstep. You can track orders right from your Wix dashboard, monitor statuses, and view tracking information when it's available, all without handling any boxes yourself. Finally, go live. Review your store layout to ensure everything looks professional, double-check product details and images, and make sure your cart and checkout pages are smooth. When you're happy, click Save and Publish to start accepting orders. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.